Hi, I'm Laurie Oberman, CEO of Talking Business, and in this clip I'd like to talk about the language you use for lab instructions, which have their own format. When communicating directly with a colleague, you might say or write, "You should take care when handling dangerous chemicals," or "The operator must disconnect the equipment before moving it." However, this is not the correct format when writing procedures for the lab. What we're going to look at now is also true for installation instructions, assembly instructions, operating instructions, maintenance instructions, and so on. We need to change this sentence, "You should take care," because the you is irrelevant. It's not you, it's everybody and anybody. What's important is the take care. So we bring that to the front. Care should be taken. And now we have the passive form. So how do we make the passive form? First, we take the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, and so on. We add the past participle, known as column 3. In the verb list, I write, yesterday I wrote, and I have written. That's the one we need. And finally, only the verb to be changes. In other words, am, are can be was or were, or has been, have been, will be, and so on, while the past participle remains the same. Now let's look at some examples in the present tense. Experiments are held in the lab every day. Present simple passive for a routine. Each experiment is planned carefully. Routine. The equipment is checked by the lab technicians. Present simple passive for a routine. Some examples in the past. An explosion was heard in the lab. Past simple passive for a past action. It was not reported to the manager. Past negative action. And the results were cancelled. Past action in the passive. Looking into the future, a vaccine for COVID-19 will be found next year. Masks will still be worn in public places, and special clothes will be used by lab assistants. And finally, examples of modals. The scales should be calibrated daily. Acid containers must be kept closed, and equipment cannot be removed from the lab.